Worlds Collide. It'll give you the dates for week 1, January 17th through the 20th, and underneath the week it'll show you the assignment. So the first thing that you need to do for week 1 is read the online readings. Every week you'll see a folder that says online readings in whatever week we're in. Click that and it'll bring up a PDF file. Download it, you can print it if you want to, you don't have to. Read through it, that's going to be part of the requirement. Additionally, you'll also be required for week 1 to read America's History, Chapter 1. You'll need to watch Lesson 1 of the Shaping America DVD or video series. Start reading Frederick Douglass this week. I'm not saying that you have to be through Chapter 8 or Chapter 9 or any chapter really, but you do need to start it to acquaint yourself with that text and what he has to say. You'll notice that Quiz 1, the first quiz of the semester, the first assignment of the semester, is going to be due January 19th, no later than 11:59 p.m. Again, once that date passes, the quiz automatically turns into a 0. Lastly, for Quiz 1, you have to participate in the Discussion 1 forum. Again, you get there by clicking the discussion button in eCampus, clicking on Discussion 1, and then throwing in your 2 cents when it comes to addressing the question. And again, I want to emphasize that it's important to also engage in debate with your fellow classmates. There are 15 weeks in the semester, and every one of these weeks in your syllabus is very, very detailed. If you do have any questions at any point in the semester, please don't be hesitant to let me know. For right now, I want you to flip all the way to page 7. On page 7, it'll start anyway, to give you a much more detailed breakdown of each one of these requirements for the course. I'll let you read that on your own time, but if you look on page 8, you'll find a copy of my grading scale. I don't grade on a curve. The score that you end up with at the end of the semester will have a corresponding grade. There really isn't a whole lot of gray area to the grading scale. There's a few other important pieces from page 8 to page 9 in the syllabus, but I'll let you read that on your own time. The one last thing that I want to be clear about is on page 9, toward the bottom of that page, academic honesty. Plagiarism is a very serious offense. Many of you know plagiarism to be taking somebody else's written or oral work and presenting it as your own idea. That's the most obvious understanding of plagiarism, but as you'll find out, there are much more complex, detailed, and what I like to consider innocent ways of committing plagiarism, even if you don't mean to. To help you recognize what plagiarism is and how you can avoid it, I've uploaded a PowerPoint that you can go through when you have some time, and it's in the same folder as the syllabus, the course documents folder. Look at that PowerPoint when you have some time. Plagiarism is taken very serious by the college, and I take it very serious as well. And if you look through the syllabus, what you're going to find is if you are found guilty of plagiarizing an assignment, whether it be a quiz or a paper or part of the essay or whatever, there's a possibility, a very good possibility, that you will fail the course. I'm not saying this to threaten anyone, I'm simply saying that so that we're all on the same page. That's basically all I've got. If you have individual questions, I'm happy to take them whenever you get a chance to email me. I'm looking forward to a very productive semester with all of you. I hope everyone's ready to hit the ground running. Thank you, and have a nice semester.